Need some dish soap. Wipe away that mud residue. There's always a bunch of dirt in here. I already rinsed it off, but the floor is wet and my mop, the mop needed to be replaced. And I never really liked my last mop because it was really puffy. So since I'm gonna have to clean all this little area and do a micro clean, a localized cleaning, like for example like this, and then hose it off like this, I gotta clean my floor or wipe the floor down. So a regular mop, replacement mop from the hardware center is about $5. So I save my $5, or it's about $8. I save my $8, or it's even more. It's like $14 for the lint-free version that they have. And they even have a microfiber version. So what I'm going to use is a towel. Towel would work just the same way, like this, and I can tighten it up. That's what this thing is for. Now I have a mop. Mop again. And the mop is a lot lighter, which I like. I don't need a really heavy mop. There. And then I can just put it over to my thing to wring it out. And it would work. So I saved really $5. And I actually used that $5 to get some shrimp chips because they're $2.50 for a box. And you'll see my comparison between one box and the other box of shrimp chips. These take a little longer to cook, but once they puff up, they're ready. But I still have a mop now with a towel. So there you go. If you need a mop head, you got a towel laying around you don't use anymore, just use the mop. Get it underneath there. Like this. Simple mop head.